In today's video, what I wanted to show you is called the Pallof press, and it's a great exercise for pectus because it's working, the two main muscles that I always talk about, which is your obliques and particularly trying to target your inner chest fibers. So I'll show you the movement, great movement that all you need is some resistance bands, a light resistance band, and you're good to go. So this is it, this is the Pallof press. You come down onto your knees, and then you're going to pull the band into your midline. That's going to engage the core and your pecs, okay? As I've said before, the pecs have two functions, bringing weight to the midline and pressing. So what we're going to do, and then obviously your obliques and your abs have a function to stabilize your midline too. So this is almost like combining like a suitcase carry, which is a great movement with like the plate pinch and press. So we're bringing the weight to our midline. Should be pretty heavy. You can see my pecs getting engaged. You can see my core getting engaged. Okay, and then from here, we're going to press out whilst controlling our core, feeling it in our abs and our obliques and in our pecs. And press out, and then back, and back. Just like this. And I'm really starting to feel that burn in my core and in my inner pecs. So that's one side. Obviously with this movement, particularly my right pec was getting the engagement there, so then we got to change and do it on the other side. So it's the same deal here, on our knees, engaging our core and then pressing out. This time my left pec is getting more involvement. So a real key focus is to focus on keeping that weight in the middle of your body. Don't let it go over there. And then that's using your abs and your chest to keep it there as you press. And that is the Pallof press, my friends. So try that out. If you're interested in coaching, then the link is in the description. It works. Look at my client testimonials. The proof is in the pudding. Proof is in the pudding with my own result and my client results. So yeah, guys, if you're interested, you really want to, overcome your pectus, get rid of that horrible feeling when you're too insecure to take off your shirt because you feel like an alien. You want to overcome that, then link is in the description. Let's work together. I'd love to meet you. You could book a free video call with me to get things started. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.